Ralliant feels like the best of both. The foundation of Fortive combined with the opportunity to create a new Ralliant. And we were very purposeful when we picked the name Ralliant. It's derived from the word rally and valiant. Rally is how we show up every day for our customers, our employees, and our shareholders. Valiant means bold and courageous. And that's how we embark on this next chapter as Ralliant.
Ralliant's the home to team players with the curiosity, the ownership, and the grit to see what we can achieve together. We trust our people with the tools and the opportunities to make an impact every day. It feels really special to be a part of this winning team.
Being part of Ralliant is incredibly special. This is an amazing team. It has a proven track record of success across the decades. It's a place where we're laser focused on serving our customers. It's a place where we support each other each and every day. It's a place where your title doesn't matter. What matters is your character, your grit, and your determination to get better each and every day. And frankly, serving on this team at this point in time when we're becoming a publicly traded company of our own is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for all of us.
Our solutions give customers the confidence that their technologies will work. And those technologies have driven breakthroughs in the world around us. Everything we see, touch, interact with has been changed by technologies that we've helped enable.
At Ralliant, in many of our operating companies, we're actually selling domain knowledge and expertise, where oftentimes we understand our customers' applications even deeper than they do. That's really powerful. It allows us to get in the trenches and work side by side with our customers to help them drive innovation and enable them to take share in their markets.
Our team uses the Ralliant Business Systems to power our growth culture. It's fueled by a mindset of continuous improvement, driven by the tools, best practices, and brought to life through discipline and focused execution. The Ralliant Business System. It's how we deliver sustainable business results. The RBS system is a combination of our culture, our cadence, and the tools we deploy to achieve results.
Technology is changing at an accelerated rate of change, and frankly, it's not getting slower. It's only getting faster. At Ralliant, growth isn't just a goal, it's a system. It's engineered. At Ralliant, we're fueling growth by weaving RBS with the latest technologies such as AI and automation. We're fueling growth by enabling our teams to accelerate decision-making with a mindset of relentless execution. This will boost productivity and scale impact faster than ever before.
We are Ralliant.
We are Ralliant.
We are Ralliant.
We are Ralliant.
Built for precision.
Built for precision.
That's how we shape what's next.